colors, 3D or FF, and this is the color Sandstone Blonde. Now, this is called the Bold Collection. I literally love this color. It's super cute, and it also comes in all these other different colors. It comes in cream blonde, which I would have thought that that was the color I got, cream blonde, because this, I'm getting ready to show you guys. These are all the colors that come in, and I'm going to have in the description below the color of my exact wig, and all of the tools that I used to, you know, complete this hairstyle. But you guys, for this wig to be a blended wig, it literally is bomb. I'm not gonna lie. Like, as you guys can see right here, like, I can take my hands through it and the curls, you know, still flip back just as if it was like a regular human hair wig, guys. And this wig was only $49, but I got this wig for free. I had bought 2 wigs, so they was buy one get one free. The other wig was the same price. It was $49, so this one was free. But if you just end up buying this wig and you get another wig, and I will have in the description below the details of the store that I got the wig from, because I got this wig from a beauty supply store, and they're offering a discount right now where you can buy a blended wig and get a blended wig free and things like that. So I will have that in the description below as well. But you guys, I really love this wig. This wig is so cute. I'm not used to this color. I don't really do color, but wouldn't nobody be able to tell that this wig is blended? And for the curls, guys, for this wig to be in this type of quality or whatever, this wig I did curl at a 375 degrees. So I don't know if you go a little higher, how would the curls come out, or if you go a little lower, how would the curls come out. But I think these curls came out really good, especially since I just did a video on doing curls on my 100% Brazilian hair and stuff like that. So you guys, check this wig out. Comment below on any other like blended synthetic wigs you guys would like for me to do a video on. And girl, this wig, baby, and it is popping. And it is popping, y'all. Baby hairs and everything. Like, this wig came out so cute. And the lace, y'all, you know, when we get laces nowadays, it be so hard trying to blend these laces and melt these laces. But you guys, this wig did not give me no issues with the lace whatsoever. It was pretty cool, pretty smooth, pretty easy. And with this wig, I did not glue it down. The first time I did a synthetic wig or wig period, I did glue the lace down, and I was not feeling it because y'all wig laces, like, they be a little bit like harder or something. I don't know, it's just not the same type of material or whatever. So when I end up gluing that one down, it left a lot of, I would recommend just spraying this Evens wonders. Like, even with your regular wigs, your regular human hair wigs, Evens is wonders if you do not want to like put any glue down, because quiet as kept, when you do that with these type, use these wigs, once you use Evens, like with the glue, I don't really know how it's probably going to operate after that. You probably just gonna have to clean it off as well, but I don't know how severe it would do the lace rather than the Evens. I know you could just wash the Evens off and lay this thing back down if you want to or whatever. So I'm gonna keep you guys updated with this wig. I might, however it do throughout the day, I might just update you guys and say, hey, you know, these curls held up throughout the day, throughout the week, whatever. Or if they don't hold up, then I'm gonna let you guys know how this hair did me. for the week. Let's just give it a week. I normally do, like when I had these type of wigs on, I normally keep them on for about 3 days. It's the weekend, so I'm like, okay, if I go out and do something or whatever, I just got me a cute little wig on. You can't really tell if it's synthetic or not. And if you can, it's still cute. Like, it just don't matter. So I update you guys and let you guys know about how this wig did me. But once again, this wig, everything on about this wig is going to be in the description below. You're going to be able to click the links to whatever needs to be clicked on, and the things that I use during this video, I will list them down in the description below as well. But like I said, this wig did come from Outre, and so far it's pretty cool. It's pretty good. So leave in the comments, guys, like any recommendations, and just comment if you like it, if it's cute, and the process that I did, tell me how I did. And yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.